A new software update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE models. Coming to the update, this is a monthly security patch update. After installing this update, the phone is upgraded to the April security patch. They released this update very fast, and I'm expecting maybe by this month end or in the next month, this mobile will receive the One UI 8.5 update. This is just my guess, guys. Let's see. Before the update, the storage occupied on my device is 91.7 GB. I'll also show you how much it is after the update. Coming to the size of this update, it is 300.51 MB. I started downloading the update. Once it completes, I'll start the installation process. This phone is receiving updates on time, and till now I haven't faced any issues with these monthly security patch updates. With the previous update, some users are facing heating issues, it seems. I'm getting comments about it, but there is one more reason for that. It's due to the temperatures. This is the start of summer. If you are using the mobile in outdoor conditions, then the device will get hot obviously. Coming back to the update, it took around 5 minutes to complete. Make sure you do not press any buttons during this process. When it comes to changes and issues, on my device there are no noticeable changes or issues. Everything looks and feels the same. Coming to the storage space, after the update it is 90.4 GB. The cache files got deleted. I think that's why we are observing this much storage difference. And do note that based on the apps you are using and the type of app, these storage differences may vary. I mean the cache files. It's not the same for everyone. Coming to the battery backup, it is same as before, guys. There is no improvement or decline, and there are no green line issues either on my device. So that's the update review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE of April security patch. Yes, you can also download and install this update on your mobile phone. And I'm eagerly waiting to use and check One UI 8.5 on this S25 FE mobile. Like this video and share it with your circle who are using the S25 FE. Thanks for watching and doing this. I'll see you again in the next video.